Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kajabi for online courses, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Kajabi website at kajabi.com. Click on the Get Started button to sign up for an account. You'll need to enter your email address, name, and create a password. Once you've filled in the required information, hit the Get Started button to create your account. After that, check your email for a confirmation message from Kajabi. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Next, you will be directed to set up your Kajabi site. You'll be prompted to choose a site name. Pick a name that reflects your brand or the online courses you'll be offering. Once you've entered the site name, click on Continue. Now, it's time to select a template for your online course. Kajabi offers a variety of templates to choose from. Take a moment to preview each one and select the one that suits your needs best. After selecting a template, click Use this template to proceed. On the next screen, you'll be taken to the Kajabi dashboard. Here, you can navigate through various options like products, marketing, and website. To create your first online course, click on the Products tab on the left. Then, select New Product to start setting up your course. You will see different product types, choose Online Course and click Create. Next, give your course a title and a brief description. After that, click on Create Product to move forward. Now you'll enter the Course Builder interface. This is where you can add modules and lessons to your course. Click on Add Module to start organizing your course content. Label the module with a relevant name, then click Save. Within that module, click Add Lesson to create individual lessons. Choose the type of content you want for each lesson, such as video, text, or quizzes. Upload your content files, or use Kajabi's built-in tools to create them. Once you've added your lessons, go back to the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Sales tab to set up pricing for your course. Click on Offers and then New Offer to create an offer. Define your pricing structure, whether it's a one-time fee or a subscription model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.